Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 4e to the power of 4s after we do first the derivative. Because we don't have number 12, that is number 3 with number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 12. So this one we change for u. E to the power of 4s, the s we change for this one. So this one we can put u to the power of negative number 4. And now we have the formula in here. So the interpretation of this one, that is about n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So I will put negative number 4 gone here. And now we have negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. And I will put about c. So in this one, that is about negative number 3. This is about negative number 3. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. So we need to use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine of e to the power of 3s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have cosine e to the power of 3s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of e to the power of 3s. That is about number 3. E to the power of 3s. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So we know that this one we change for u. This one, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. The interpretation of this one, that is about u to the power of 5 over 5. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. So for this one, we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine of s to the power of 4. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have negative number 4, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 4. So this one we change for u. S to the power of 3 sine of s to the power of 4 ds. We change for this one. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.